Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. So recently I created this car and I wanted to show you how you can actually make this car grill. So you can see that. So first of all, you got to go to Edit Preferences and then Add-ons. If you have the old version, then go search for Extra Mesh, and if you have new version, go to Extensions. And look for Extra Mesh and install that add-on. After that, head to the Scene and Shift A Mesh and then Extras and look for Honeycomb Structure. By default, you'll find the rows and columns 2 by 2. You can change that. And now I'm going to change the rows to 60 and columns to 20. So now 20 is not fine, so we're going to reduce that to 15. If you want this cool looking texture, then you can go to the shading viewport shading, and by default it is set to studio, but you have to change it to matte cap. And there you'll find a lot of viewport shadings, so you can try that yourself for the hard surface modeling. I choose this red metallic because it gives me this metallic reflection, so it's very cool. So I'm going to unhide everything and reduce the scale and move the car grill backward and scale it down further and move it a bit further. After that, I'm going to select my car body and my car grill, and then I'm going to hit Control I, so to go to invert selection, and I'm going to hide everything. And after that, I'm going to select this edge and duplicate it and P for selection. So now I have this part because we need this to create our car grill and wrap it on our car. So we can have this curve on our car grill. So if you just hit F key and fill it, so you will get these shitty results, and this is not going to work if you're going to wrap your grill on it. So you'll get some shitty results. So you have two options. One is that you can select manually vertex 1 by 1 and then join it with J key and adjust the vertex, but it is going to take you too much time. So we have another option which is called grid fill. And for the grid fill, you have to delete the unnecessary random vertex. And you have to keep the vertex count on each side equal. So like if you have 3 vertex on the upper side, you should have the same on the lower side. And if you have 3 vertex on the right side, so you should have the same on the left side. Then the grid fill option is going to work perfectly fine. So I'm going to apply the mirror modifier, and after that I'm going to hit Control F and grid fill. So you can see there I got these nice results. And if you didn't get that, then you can change the options, because with grid fill, you got this grid fill menu and you can change the span and offset. The span should be the number of vertex on the side. So I had this 8 vertex on the upper side, so I keep it to 8. Well, I kept offset to 0, so it worked perfectly fine for me. And after that, I'm going to set the origin to origin of geometry and shade smooth. And after that, I'm going to add shrink wrap modifier on my car grill. And then I'll place the object we created as my target. So we will wrap our car grill on this surface. But first I got to rotate the car grill 90 degrees on the Y-axis. And then move grill further on X-axis and scale it down to roughly match the size of the car object we're going to wrap our grill on. So after that, I assign my car object as target. Well, if you got these shitty results, then select the car grill, hit G and X, and move it backward on X-axis. So after that, I'm going to apply the shrink wrap modifier, and I'm going to delete the car object we created. And here is our car grill ready. So we have this. Now go to edit mode and select all faces to extrude it on X-axis. And if you got this shitty topology, so it doesn't matter because it is not going to be seen. And still, if you want to reduce it, then you can hit the X button and hit limit dissolve. So it limitized this shitty topology. Now I'm going to unhide everything and move my grill backward and scale it a bit. So you can see, and this is how we create a car grill. So I have this car and I applied the black metallic material on my car grill. And you can see it's perfectly fine. You can do same for the text. If you want to wrap the text on the car, so you can do same. I just duplicated the forward surface and adjusted a bit, then I added a text and rotated, adjusted according to that, then converted it to mesh and applied the shrink wrap modifier. And then assigned the object I created as my target and adjusted it. That's it. You can practice it by yourself. So I hope you guys love this tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your learning.
Subscribe to Tunesty Studio.